What's going on today, Bread Gang? How are you guys doing today? I hope every single one of you is having a fantastic day. I hope you guys are taking the opportunity with a new day to chase your dreams. I'm gonna jump right into the video. We've got so much going on today. I still have the decal on. Huge shout out to Mercs of Never Satisfied Builds. We have something big planned. Stay tuned. I have so much going on in this video that you guys are gonna have to pay attention. You have to pay attention or you're gonna get lost. There's just so much going on. We've got new mods, we've got stuff we're looking at mod-wise on the Tahoe, we've got some updates on the truck that I'm gonna show you guys. Yes, I think the decal's crooked for any of you that do notice, and we are gonna get that fixed. And I've got some other stuff going on as far as new giveaways and giveaway winners to announce. So we've got so much. Stay tuned to the end of the video. We're over here at Mags Upholstery for the day. If you guys remember, Mags Upholstery does all of your upholstery needs and embroidery work. If you need any automotive, boating, inside your house, anything that you need, all the fancy words for it, Mags Upholstery does that. Their Instagram will be linked below. Let's run inside and see what Alex has got going on. We're gonna get the day started. And I've got some updates on the truck for you guys that you're gonna wanna know about. I always pick the wrong door when I come through here. I don't know what he's got going on. Hey! Say hello. Hello. Alex is kind of busy actually getting some work done. So we're gonna jump into the title of the video today. So you guys know my rear end was having some issues and we actually got it fixed about 2 weeks ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, something like that. But I never fully explained what was wrong with it and what we had to go through to get it fixed. So I'm gonna jump right into that. So previously, like I had told you guys, I thought that it was one of these outside bearings on the axle or maybe a carrier bearing on the inside, and I was 100% wrong. It actually ended up being something a little bit easier to fix, but still had to tear apart the whole rear end. There's a bearing right at the tip of the pumpkin underneath that you can see. There's a bearing right there that connects the differential to the drive shaft. That bearing had actually gone out over time. I'm gonna insert some clips right now of us actually tearing it apart and getting it fixed. We had to take, obviously wheels had to come off, rotors had to come off, all the brakes had to come off. Thankfully, I did not mess up the wheel lights in this process. We had to slide the axles out just a little bit to be able to get the little clips out, and we actually did have to take the gears all the way out. They took the gears to the shop, double checked, all the gears are fine. The outside carrier bearings and the front bearing for the drive shaft ended up getting replaced, so I have no more issues. It ended up being about half the actual cost that I thought it was gonna be to get the truck fixed, and I'm super, super happy. Huge shout out to the guys over there at the shop that got that done. They don't have an Instagram or anything, so you guys can't contact them, but if you guys would like that information, make sure to send me a DM. They do great differential work and all kinds of different work like that. They specialize in that kind of stuff. Right along with the video, I've got we're obviously filming the video today, that's what we're doing, but I've got 2 consulting calls I got tonight. I'm ordering over the phone a new mod for the truck, hopefully that some of you have seen on my Instagram or can kind of put the pieces together on my Instagram. So we're gonna get on that call tonight, and we're looking at some mods for the Tahoe, and we're announcing giveaway winners and announcing another giveaway coming soon in the future. So you guys need to stay tuned. I'm gonna run inside and talk with Alex for a minute while I'm waiting on my first call to start this first mod. I'm only gonna give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek of what that is, of that conversation, because it is private, but I hope you guys enjoy.
Hello?
At the moment, but we should be good now. What's going on?
General social media would have, then, you know, that just kind of helps both with the brand, you know, boost in general, and trying to, you know, obviously we're trying to grow and get our product in front of as many people as we can see.
Because I don't want to have to get it painted. It's going to be a lot easier because we plan on wrapping the vehicles at some point, so it's going to be a lot easier to wrap over chrome.
It's going to give you a button. It'll just say, I think it says like proceed to checkout or whatever. But as long as you click on that button, it'll pre-populate the order. You'll be able to look over the order and make sure everything.
All I can say is I'm super excited, and I'm just so grateful for the opportunity to be able to work with you guys. It's been a couple years that I've really been kind of, you know, hoping something like this would happen, and just, you know, that it really just proves time and effort, you know, can really make things happen.
Definitely, 100%. Yeah, we're really looking forward to seeing the video too. So. It's
Awesome.
gonna be awesome.
I can't wait. Awesome. You're the best. Thank you so much.
Yep, no problem. Let me know if you have any other questions or if you don't see the email come through, alright?
Awesome. I will. Again, thank you so much. I'll talk to you later, okay?
Alrighty, sounds good. Thanks.
Awesome.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, and bam, just like that, we have the new mod on the way for the truck. You guys see it firsthand. Now, obviously, this video is going to come out a couple days later, but you guys get to see firsthand what it's like to make a call with a partnership that I just finalized today and got a mod placed for the truck. I hope you guys are excited. It's going to be here in probably 3 to 5 business days. They're all custom built. I hope you guys, if you guys have any ideas of what it is or any guesses, please leave a comment in the description below. And if you're right, maybe I'll give you a shout out on Instagram. But we have a lot to do tonight. We got to get going. We have way too much to do to be sitting around talking to this freaking camera all night. I'm just kidding. I'm here for you guys. We still got a lot of stuff to do. I hope you guys are excited. Stay tuned. Before we leave, I gotta give a huge shout out, one, to the boys at the upholstery shop. I will see you guys later. But to my fan from Brazil, yes, I have a fan in Brazil, Marcelo. Huge shout out to Marcelo for watching and sharing my videos. I don't know if you guys understand, but this dude's from Brazil. He's a friend of Alex's. Absolutely makes my day. Blows my mind that people from a different country watch my videos. Huge shout out to Marcelo. We gotta go home and take a look at the Tahoe. I will see you guys there. Holy crap, it is cold. So I want to give you guys a little bit of an update on the Tahoe in this video. First, let me find my flashlight. So we just got a package in the mail recently, I think it was yesterday, for a new mod for the Tahoe. Yes, I did talk about it previously in the 2020 build plan Tahoe video, and it is the fog lights. Now, I'm not going to show you guys what the fog lights are yet, but they're going to be something similar to what I have, and I'm just kind of looking today to see where we might put these. Now, obviously, they're going in the fog lights. They're light bars, and I don't really know if the Tahoe came with wiring or what, but I think we did get a harness with it. So I'm just going to take a look tonight and see what we can see, and kind of give you guys an idea of how we're going to put these in. I will make a full install video of these though when the time comes. So let's take a little look. Set that down there. There's water under here. Nice. So there is no factory wiring. I know that, which kind of sucks, but I mean, it's not the end of the world. It doesn't look like the install is going to be too bad. There are some plastic brackets we can mount to. This little piece right here just kind of unscrews out, which isn't bad. That's not going to be too bad. So as of right now, it seems like it's going to be a pretty basic install. We are going to have to hardwire in the harness somehow. I'm not really sure how we're going to do that yet. Of course, that's going to be in the full video, but just want to give you guys an update on the Tahoe. We are putting some fog lights in this thing soon. She's got a couple small mods that we're doing, a giveaway that she's going to be doing as well, so y'all stay tuned on her channel so you can stay up to date with her giveaway, or her Instagram, not channel. Stay up to date on that. We are announcing the winners of the bullet antenna giveaway at the end of this video, so stay tuned. I have a call that I need to do tonight. I've been advertising my coaching / consulting on Instagram, and I have another call that I need to do tonight. And I have one tomorrow, so we're always staying busy. I'm gonna go hop on that call, try and get something to eat while I'm doing that, and I will see you guys there. I'm super excited. I love doing these calls. I get so motivated, so excited for other people. We've come up with some great ideas. Literally, there's some things in the works on Instagram for other people right now that are huge. People are literally getting responses from sponsors in days just from talking to me, not just through me, but just helping motivate them and point them in the right direction. So if you guys want help on social media, hit me up. It can help, I promise. So you guys know I'm picking the winners of the giveaway tonight in front of you right now. But first, two things. One, I have in my hands the next giveaway that we are starting on the channel. I'm super excited. I'm going to get the one and only This Wide Bow Tie involved in this giveaway as well. And we are gonna get together and do another awesome giveaway for you guys. I hope you guys are excited. Cue the confetti and the applause for everybody. I know you guys are excited. Pretty much same rules apply for this one, but we are going to pick the winners of the current bullet antenna and true spike lug nut giveaway tonight. But first, I have a call that I need to hop on with another YouTuber. I'm super excited. I'm not going to say any names, but we're going to get together. We're going to get some stuff done tonight. I feel like I get off work at 4:30 and then I clock back in again for another 5 or 6 hours. I'm non-stop moving all the time, but I wouldn't want it any other way. We get this bread. So I'm going to hop on this call and I will see you guys in a minute. Time to clock in. Yeah, awesome. I'll talk to you later. Okay, all right, bye. Bam, just like that. Knocking out calls, got big things in the works. You guys have no idea what we have in store Ooh, big things, big things, big things. But I know you guys are excited. I'm going to, should I tell you guys what the giveaway is? The new giveaway? Nah, I'm not gonna tell you yet, but I do have to tell you guys who the winners of the bullet antenna giveaway are. Are you guys excited? Drum roll, please. So, just so you guys know, I did not pick these. I had a third party pick these. I'm not gonna tell you who. It was not Christina. It was not me. I did not pick these. Now, the names that came up are random names. It wasn't me that picked them, so that's all that matters. But the 3 winners of the bullet antennas of your choice for free, drop ship to your house. Number 1, Pepe Mata 3. I've seen him comment on a lot of my stuff. Some of these people I'm actually not familiar with, I've never talked to, but I've seen their name before, and it's really good that these people are involved in the YouTube channel, in the Instagram, and they're not just random people. Pepe Mata looks like he's got a Chevy Silverado High Country with a 7-inch lift with lighting trends. Pepe Mata, you know, I'm gonna put your name in the description below. If that is your name, DM me on Instagram so I can get your choice of bullet antenna and we can get it sent to you through bullet antenna. Winner number 2, drum roll please. It's a black bow tie. It's a _black_ bow tie. 22 years old, Rhode Island, 15 Silverado. Mike Escobar. Awesome name, first of all, Mr. Escobar. Winner number 2, he actually literally just commented on my picture I posted like 20 minutes ago. So huge shout out to Mr. Mike Escobar. And then of all people, that number 3 had to be, of all people.
Without me? We were supposed to do this together.
Oh, I had the people. Because I didn't know if you would want to do it.
We talked about this. See what he does.
I had somebody else third party pick the people. I'm not Alex. We picked the people. So.
Sir, Mr.
The winner number 3 is It's Ham. Mr. Christopher Hamilton.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if his name is actually Christopher. I know it's Chris Hamilton. It's Ham.
What a good guy.
I think it's Chris. I call him It's Ham. That's just what I call him.
Who were the other 2?
It was Pepe Mata and Mr. Mike Escobar.
I gotta look these people up.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
One of them commented on my picture a couple minutes ago.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
I was in like a war with somebody.
You were in a war?
Yeah.
You want to come tell the camera what war you were in?
No, I blocked them because they clearly thought their Ford Ranger was better than mine. They thought it was worth more than what's under the hood of my truck, which I thought was hilarious.
I'm leaving all this in. I hope you know that.
That's fine.
Well, there you have it. 3 winners, and Christina almost bit somebody's head off tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you won, DM me so I can get you your bullet antenna. I know that you want it. We're starting a new giveaway soon. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys what the new giveaway is.
No.
No? Shh. Never mind. I guess I'm not. Gotta do what she says. It's a surprise. Stay tuned on my Instagram. We will be announcing the new giveaway. I hope you guys enjoyed this content. You guys are the best. As always, let's get this bread.
Get the spread.
Is it gonna focus on me? Is there? Say hello. Freedom _ F150. Follow my man right here. We're not gonna do that today.
Dude, it's pretty damn wide.